How to add YouTube channel keywords step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add YouTube channel keywords step by step. Channel keywords help YouTube understand what your channel is about. This can improve your channel's visibility in search results. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Open your web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Sign into your YouTube account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Settings. On the left side of the screen, scroll down and click Settings. Step 3. Click Channel. In the Settings window, click Channel. You'll see 3 tabs: Basic Info, Advanced Settings, Feature Eligibility. Stay on Basic Info. Step 4. Add channel keywords. Scroll down until you find keywords. Type words that describe your channel. For example, if your channel is about technology, you can add technology gadgets, tutorials, how to PC tips, Windows computer tech reviews. Separate each keyword with a comma. Step 5. Save your changes. After adding your keywords, click the Save button in the bottom right corner. That's it. Your YouTube channel keywords have been added successfully. Outro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more YouTube tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.